triangle.
Love boat, love boat, love boat, love boat.
Oh, Howard.
Hi, Isabella.
Do you love me? I feel like I've been cheated. I just don't feel good enough.
Oh, it's okay. I love you. You're so beautiful. Your blonde hair flutters in the wind, with your blue eyes sparkling against the sea, and your beautiful, beautiful body that just looks like a work of art. I love you.
Are you sure?
I am sure. I am positive. I am positively sure. I love you like a bird loves another. I love you like the ocean loves salt, and I love you like wine loves grapes.
Oh, I'm sorry I doubted you. It's just too good to be true.
No, don't think that, my lovebird. I love you more than life itself.
I love you too, Howard.
Hello, Isabel. Sarah.
What? Have you been seeing another woman?
Don't be jokingly. Nobody would like me.
Oh, with your handsome eyes and your wonderful body.
Yes, I like my hairy chest. Everyone does.
Everybody would be fine with you, madame.
No, not everybody. I know that for a fact.
Yes, I think everybody who looks at you must think, oh, what a handsome young man.
No, not anything like that.
I
No. What are you drinking? Could I have some?
Yeah, sure.
Ugh.
It's wine, madame.
I don't like wine. It's gross.
Well, I'm sorry then.
It's okay, Sarah.
You are seeing another woman, aren't you?
Why would I be seeing another woman when I have you, with your beautiful brown hair fluttering in the wind, your beautiful blue eyes that go with the ocean, and your beautiful body? So beautiful. It's like a work of art.
You say
I
that
love
to
you.
all of you, don't you?
Well, no, I don't. I love you. I love you like the ocean loves salt. I love you.
So romantic.
Well, I don't know about that, but I love you. I love you like wine loves grapes.
I love you too, Howard.
Oh.
Kiss me. Oh, that's okay. That's
I'm
okay.
terribly sorry.
That's okay. I'm Isabella. What's your name?
Sarah.
Oh, hi. Are you on the same ship? What are you doing here?
I'm just going for vacation.
Oh,
Getting away from work. You know?
yeah. I met this cute guy from the ship.
Oh, so did I.
Yeah.
He has a hairiest spot. It's like... Oh.
Same. It's just like the same as my guy.
Really? Are you serious?
And he just has this animal look, you know? It's just... anyway, I'm waiting for him here. He's gonna meet me. We're gonna go have dinner.
What's his name? Do you know?
Yeah, his name's Howard.
Howard what?
Howard Petico.
Patika? Oh my god. I always knew it.
What's wrong? What is it?
That's my Howard.
No, this cannot be.
He's hairy. He has brown eyes. He's got that animal look. His name is Howard Patisco.
But he said he loved me.
He said the same thing to me. He said my eyes were like the water, the sea.
to get it back. Badly. He's been cheating on us. Well, at least he's been cheating on me.
Yeah, on me too.
I know.
What's that?
I can have a party at my cabin room and invite him. I'll invite you too. You can come and see him, and we can kill him.
That is a great idea!
And we'll think of rest on the way.
Yeah.
9 o'clock.
Okay, let's go.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Get your hands off me.
Is something wrong?
I'm waiting for someone to come. I just have things on my mind.
Oh, don't worry. I love you. Like the ocean loves salt.
You already told me that.
What's wrong? Don't you love me?
I'm sorry, I just got things on my mind. That's all.
Well, hello, Howard.
What are you doing here?
I thought you weren't seeing another woman.
I
What?
thought you weren't either.
They're not my woman. You're not my woman. You know it, blue woman.
Howard.
Sarah, you get out of here. You know you've been pretending like I've been your woman when I'm really not.
How dare you?
No, leave
Now
me
it's
alone.
time We've had a chat, mister. Come back. We've had a chat. And we know that you've been cheating.
No, leave me
So
alone.
now's the time that
Leave
we
me Leave me alone. I
Okay,
didn't
he's
mean it.
Now I need a new man.
Give me 5.